I'm searching for the perfect carry-on backpack for one bag travel. There's a lot of great travel duffels out there, so I decided to just buy a big pile of them and have a look. I'll be showing you some of these duffels over the next few weeks, carrying them around and testing them out. The first bag I wanted to show you today is the Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler Duffel. It's a 45-liter capacity travel duffel with water-resistant fabric, a lockable main zipper, and removable backpack straps. Coming up. Welcome to One Bag Travels. This is a channel dedicated to one bag carry-on travel by providing you with backpack, gear reviews, and travel advice. If you're a carry-on traveler and you want to learn more, then please consider subscribing to our channel. Starting with the size of the Eagle Creek Cargo Hauler Duffel, it fits easily within the width and height dimensions of even budget European airlines like Ryanair. However, at 22.8 inches, the length is about 1 inch longer than is allowed by most airlines' carry-on dimensions. Holding it up to a tape measure, the bag is here, and we need it to be about here. It's a soft-sided bag, so if you don't overpack it, it will fit in the overhead just fine. The material on this bag is what Eagle Creek calls Bi-Tech Armor Light, which is just a coated 600 denier polyester material. What they did with this bag is they went with a compromise between weight and durability. Compare it to other travel duffels like the REI Big Haul 40 at 2.06 pounds and the Osprey Transporter at 2.7 pounds. This bag is considerably lighter at only 1.5 pounds. And while not the most durable fabric available, the 600 denier coated polyester is going to be perfectly fine for the majority of travelers. They use large number 10 non-YKK locking zippers on the main compartment. They're a great zipper, but they're noticeably lower quality than the more expensive YKK zips. I wouldn't worry about this because Eagle Creek has a great full lifetime warranty on all their bags. Looking at some of the components on the outside of this bag, it's a pretty minimalistic travel duffel. What you have are these removable backpack straps, these large side carry handles, this front carry handle, 2 daisy chain lashing points on the front and 4 in the back, as well as these 2 large side pockets on each end. So what you don't have with this bag is you don't have a shoulder strap, it doesn't come with hip belts, and it doesn't have external compression straps. It's a pretty thin material, so the bag is going to be a little bit floppy when it's not fully packed. It also doesn't come with an external water bottle pocket, but you can easily put in a full or collapsed water bottle pocket in one of these side pockets, or you can clip one to the outside of the bag. The external organization is pretty simple. Duffels usually have one large main compartment, and then they may or may not have external pockets or compartments. This one has 2 large side pockets, one on either side of the bag. They're pretty big, and they take up about 1/4 of the volume of the backpack. However, this duffel is lacking a front compartment for small items like phone charger or keys. As far as carry options, this bag doesn't come with a shoulder strap, so your only options are the backpack straps and these 2 side carry handles. The backpack shoulder straps are pretty simple padded foam with a slight curve to them. They're comfortable and the bag sits on your back pretty good, but they're missing some features. They don't have a sternum strap to connect the straps together, and there's no hip belt, so the full weight of the backpack is going to be on your shoulders. The removable top buckles also have a tendency to twist and can come loose. I had this happen a couple times with me when I was putting the backpack on. The buckle just kind of pops out from the strap. There's also no padding on the backpack back. There's no foam mesh, padding, or air ventilation. So any hard items that you have on the inside of this bag are just going to be poking you in the back. The backpack straps are removable with these plastic D-rings on the top and these plastic side access buckles on the bottom. However, because the bag doesn't come with a shoulder strap, there's really no point in taking the backpack straps off because there's no other carry option. Because of the minimalistic backpack straps and the lack of back padding or ventilation, this bag is going to be comfortable for short trips, but it's not going to be very comfortable for long trips. Looking at the side handles, it has these side and front handles, but it lacks a top grab handle option. You can use the backpack straps held together in a pinch, but it's not a very comfortable way to carry the bag. These two large side handles are padded, squishy, and comfortable, and they're designed in this location to easily slide the bag in and out of places. However, because they're located on top of the bag, this bottom handle tends to poke into your back when you have the bag in backpack mode. And because you're not going to be using these side handles to carry the bag, I don't really understand the point of the thick padding here. Because there's no top grab handle option, this front handle now becomes the only way to carry the backpack other than the backpack straps. But it's a simple thin strap with no additional padding, so it's also not a very comfortable way to carry the bag. Looking at the interior components and design, the opening on the cargo hauler duffel is a large U-shaped opening on top of the bag. Inside the opening is a large, spacious main compartment, but there's nothing else going on inside this duffel. There's no further interior organization. There's no pockets, mesh zippers, compartments, or compression straps. There's also no laptop compartment. However, this duffel is pretty spacious and it can easily fit a laptop inside, but you should probably use a padded sleeve. So that's the cargo hauler duffel bag by Eagle Creek. Some of the things I like about this bag are its large 45-liter capacity and it's lightweight at only 1.5 pounds. It has water-resistant coated fabric, backpack straps, and it comes at a very affordable price. Some of the things I don't like about this bag are the limited carry options. It has no top grab handles or shoulder straps, and this front carry handle is small and uncomfortable. There's no interior pockets or compression straps. There's no sternum strap or padding on the back of the backpack. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about this duffel bag, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments below. And if you like reviews like this, then please consider subscribing to our channel. And thanks for watching.